What do you do?
I like guacamole.
So I know everybody has their own way of making guacamole. I just take my avocado, put it into a big bowl. Now, obviously I can't grow avocados here, so I gotta get them from the store. Just gently with the knife, cut the avocado, do a little twist. Gentle, pop that out. Then I take our onion that we grew in the garden. Really good use with your onions that you grow in your garden. Get that outer layer off. Fresh onion. Fresh onion. Still as it was when I pulled it out of the ground. Just going to chop it up into a bunch of pieces and then we'll just throw it in here. Throw the onion in here. Then we got our garlic clove that we grew last year too. I'm only going to take one of the cloves off and put it in there. Take your clove, your knife, just smash it. Get the skin off of it and just finally chop it up. So when you're chopping it up, you just chop it up as much as you want. Throw it in there. Now we don't have any fresh tomatoes, so we have to use store-bought tomatoes. I know they're not what we want, but it's still wintertime, we don't have tomatoes, so just grab a couple tomatoes, chop them up. I chop them up into small cubes. However much you want to use. I normally use about 4 small plum tomatoes. make sure your tomatoes are organic, because they are one of those foods that are on the dirty dozen. I'll talk more about that later. That's why we really do want to grow our food organically, or at least buy it organically too. All right, so we got our tomatoes all chopped up. I use a little bit of lime juice. Just put a little squirt in there. Then we're going to hit it with some salt. And then a little bit of pepper. And take your fork and just smush it all together. It's nice to use a bigger bowl. It makes it easier to combine all the components together. There we go, our fresh guacamole. Guacamole's nice creamy texture. We got all of our onion, our garlic that we grew last year, or if you grow it this year. It's really good use for your garlic and onion. Tastes really good too. Got a nice still fresh bite to it. You can also do, if you got some cilantro growing at home, go ahead and throw some cilantro in here too. My wife hates cilantro, so we don't have cilantro in this. If you like this video on making guacamole with ingredients from your garden, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and a like, and I appreciate if you should give it a share as well. Halen, do you like your guacamole? Then why are you eating it? Halen did like all of her guacamole. She ate it all gone.